Hey guys, we're back for another camping food review.
Yeah.
So we're on our way to Disney, and no idea where we are right now, but we've been in the camper all day. We are moving right now, so hopefully we don't lose the phone while we're driving down the road. In 2 days it's Easter, and I told the kids no Easter basket, so I got a few little treats that were Easter themed.
Pennsylvania, right?
Oops, there goes the phone challenge. Yep, we're in Pennsylvania.
Easton, Pennsylvania.
Let's see, so the first item is going to be an Apple Jacks Bunny. So we're going to make a little plate for Scott the driver.
I used to eat Apple Jacks.
I don't like Apple
I don't
Jacks.
think I've ever had Apple Jacks.
I think I have one time. How does it smell?
Very strange.
I know it's like apples.
Oh, I don't know if you can see. No, it's going to show them. Ooh.
It reminds me of the Hershey's cookies and cream chocolate bar with like the stuff at the bottom.
I'll try to leak out a piece of
I
it.
actually don't hate it.
Why does it taste like Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
It does.
Because it's apple and cinnamon.
No, I don't think there is cinnamon in it.
Yes, it is. It's apple.
Oh, yeah, there is a cinnamon thing. All right, my bad. You're right.
I don't really taste that much.
The next one,
And
Fruity Pebbles.
I would give that maybe like a 5 out of 10.
I have a feeling this one's going to be better.
I didn't really taste that much.
Yeah, I don't like Fruity Pebbles either. I like Cocoa Pebbles, but not Fruity Pebbles.
Ooh, this one smells really good.
Yeah,
Let me smell.
I think this one's
Smells
gonna
like
be really
sugar.
good.
Oh, God, it
Okay.
smells like a candle. That smells absolutely
It does.
awful.
It does smell like a candle.
Oh my God, that makes me want to vomit. I don't know.
I like this.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's awful.
I like that one. That one's
That
not
was really
bad.
good.
Mom has left the bill.
I would definitely buy this one
Oh
again.
my God, that makes me want to vomit. That was like eating a bite of a Yankee Candle.
It
Actually-
tastes just like Fruity Pebbles.
Actually, I'm gonna change my
Oh.
ranking for this one. The Apple Jacks Bunny, I think, is like either like a 3 or 4 out of 10.
Alright,
I think this one was like a 6 or even a 7 out of 10.
I
I gotta
give that
find
one an
some-
8.
Alright, so this was a candy bar that was around when we were kids, but I'm not sure I ever had it.
Whatchamacallit?
Yeah, why? Have you had one?
Oh, it's a
It was on-
veggie.
It was on clearance
There's, like,
for
a sticker over it.
$1.64 at Walmart.
Koozie, what's it?
What's supposed to be in it? Does it say?
Chocolate, crispy, and peanut butter.
Great.
No, don't cut on that.
Why?
Cut on this.
Okay.
So I've never had a whatchamacallit, nor a Koozie, what's it? So.
Here?
Oh. Yeah.
Alright, well the knife is not very... Okay.
I like it. Alright. Okay, take that. Cut the other piece. Actually, could have smelled like that. Much better. Chase, you don't like peanut butter. Do you like that?
Actually, it's not that bad, and that's because like you can barely taste the peanut butter, and I don't like peanut
that's
butter.
like all you taste.
It's like if Cocoa Pebbles had like a chocolate bar, and because of that, I think it's maybe like a 7 out of 10,
I liked it.
almost an 8.
See,
Yeah.
you like peanut butter.
No, I don't like peanut butter. I can barely taste the peanut butter.
That's all you
I
can
already
taste.
said that.
Fruit Loop gummies. I'm gonna go with these are terrible based on the fact that I don't like Fruit Loops, and we just. Oh,
I want to...
Wait, what
can
is
I
it?
pass?
What is it?
Can I pass? Oh my God, they're gonna be awful.
What is it? Gummies?
Yes.
Oh, they don't look that bad.
What color do you want?
No.
I want to try
Orange.
these two, see if they taste different.
Oh my God, they're gonna be awful.
Olive orange and blue.
I'm having one olive green with a paper towel ready to spit it out.
They just taste like Fruit Loops.
Oh. Oh, that's.
Wait, don't put back in there. I was trying to like we did
It doesn't
here.
matter. It doesn't matter. All right.
Yeah, just as a fruit.
Oh.
I think
They're gummy bears, but they're pineapple flavor.
I think I would
They
give.
always have pineapple in them.
I think I would
Oh.
give the.
They're just
I think I
pineapple.
would. I think I would give the Fruity Pebbles like a 6 out of 10.
A 0. There you go.
They always have pineapple ones. It's just a bag of all pineapple.
Oh.
Yeah.
They smell great.
I'm gonna put them over here. Give Dad one.
All them? Put them over
Now
there.
they're just
Oh.
pineapple gummy
I just
bears.
put that. You just stole it.
No,
We're gonna rewatch that because I think Kelly stole the pineapple.
Alright, so
Busted. Busted.
I don't think I did. Ooh.
Alright, I think I would give those. I mean, they're just normal pineapple gummy bears. I think I'll give them like an 8 out of 10.
These look like those like sweet tart rope things.
Warhead Booze.
Alright, is there different flavors? Or are they all like
Yeah.
it's a mystery.
Oh.
Oh. Okay.
That's okay.
There's specific flavors? Oh. Okay.
Oh.
I got blue.
Oh, there's
I got blue.
6 flavors.
Right, so they all blue?
I got yellow.
That's mango.
Ew. What's the white cream in the middle? Little white.
Just white cream.
Oh,
That
okay.
might be like a bit of the flavor.
Can I try the
Like
mango?
Sure. But I gotta try to. I want to try the blue.
Why don't you let him just take a bite?
Well, let me, I don't need a bite of your end.
Let him take a bite.
I think it's like, because like some flavors of Twizzlers have that same like white flavor.
Yeah.
Which was you eating with white cream in them?
There is like.
I mean, I'm
no-
trying.
Oh, those are 1,000 times better than those damn Fruit Loop things.
I would give those an 8, maybe even a 9 out of 10. Those were
Those are
good.
good.
I'm a big fan of watermelon flavor.
Watermelon.
Those aren't usually
These
got
are
to
good.
You got one right there. Alright, I'm putting one on Scott's plate, folks. So if it's gone, I know Callie stole it.
Everything's good.
The guy just said laundry detergent.
Yeah, they kind of do. Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
I'll give that maybe like a 6 out of 10.
Alright, we have 2 different items. Chocolate or popping candy. These are lollipops.
Is this the last?
Yeah.
Great.
So,
Let's do these.
I think there's only 2 of them. So,
There's
Yeah.
SpongeBob, Dippin' Pop, Poppin' Candy with
oh, you can put it in the.
Oh.
We want to do pink or yellow.
Well, why don't we just split them?
You can't split a lollipop.
Well, I'll try it, kind of.
Can't
Oh,
split
geez.
them all.
Okay, you want to split one with me and I'll split one with. Yeah, and Tracy's got. Yeah, I can split one.
Cool.
Alright.
I like the pink one.
Yeah, what color's the different stuff?
Alright, so I'll have
Oh.
That one's a pink dipper.
What color's your dipper? Maybe they're all pink? Oh, it's strawberry dipper. Oh my god. Really? I think this was $1 for a 2-pack and we can't get the damn thing open.
Having trouble.
Yeah.
Mom,
These might
you want help with that?
No.
Alright, there we go.
Lick it, Trace, and dunk it in here.
Oh, she's looking at Dunkin'.
I
That's
want
a
it.
chocolate covered sesame?
What?
Yeah,
Sesame.
chocolate colored.
Oh, I don't know.
Sesame. Oh,
What?
sesame.
I-
That's sesame.
Did you say caramel or caramel, Trace?
Caramel.
Caramel.
It's not caramel or caramel.
How do you say it again?
Caramel.
Caramel.
Maybe because there's an extra A. Alright,
Is it
so
good?
it's basically Pop Rocks.
You didn't like Pop Rocks before. Here, open up. Let me put some Pop Rocks in here.
Oh,
Alright, I got it.
Tracy's pop. Tracy's your mouth is popping.
Yeah. Yeah.
This really tastes like mine.
Right.
Can you hear it?
I just like the noise.
They don't. Yeah, still go on. I don't. So they don't taste like much, but they're not bad. So
Right.
I'll give this.
The joy of taking a video while we're going 70 down the bumpy highway.
Apparently they need to fill some potholes.
Now, Calvin, I noticed you have a new pair of glasses on. I like those.
Wow, gee whiz.
Did your boyfriend buy you those?
Nope, he does not like them. He thinks they're ridiculous.
Which probably says some Pop Rocks again.
All right.
So I think I would give this a 6. Actually, no, a 7 out of 10.
You took hummuses at the grocery store.
A delicious sesame treat.
Sounds a little sus. If you non-Jersey people, sus in Massachusetts means suspicious.
Mom, that's like a global.
No, Kyle showed me in the Urban Dictionary it means something different. Well, even though he's popping in the back of my throat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it smells good. Big mask. What the heck? Here, please. Oh. Not good. Oh. You know it's bad when we're loading up Scott with food. Oh.
I remember.
It's like eating grind up sandpaper. Ew. Oh. It's like eating nothing.
Well,
I ate
it's just
nothing.
weird. It's like weird. So what
It's
was
like creamy chalk.
what was your favorite thing, guys?
I think I'll give the halva like a 3 out of 10.
What was your favorite thing?
This.
Oh, jeez. That was your favorite?
Yeah,
Chase?
I think it might have been the 3 cups of coming.
Oh, all right. Well, that's it, guys. Maybe we'll have another one later on. See ya.
More stuff.
No, that's it. Or maybe I'll buy some more. Bye, guys.